Assalamualaikum students, क्या हाल है अभी? Okay, now today I will start a very important law of the exponential, then how you will convert the exponential law into the logarithmic property. First of all, I will prove that a raised power 0 is equal to 1. I will start with the basic concept, just like this one. Okay, I will start with this one, the basic law of exponential, just like of exponentials. We know that a is always equal to a. Whenever we have any constant terms, any variable, a is equal to always a. Dividing both sides by a. So I will get a over a means a over a. Now we know that when we have this, the power is a, and the power of this is also 1. So when you shift this a on the other side in the numerator, so I will get this term as a raised to power 1 minus 1. And also you know that whenever we have denominator and the numerator same, they are dividing, so answer will be 1. So you will get, what will you get? A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. And this law we have this information with the blue color. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to the a raised to power m minus n. Okay, students. Now we have to change this property into logarithmic property. As we know that if you have a raised to power b is equal to the c, this implies log natural of c base a is equal to always equal to b. Am I right? So in exponential equation, I will change this marker. This exponential equation, this is called the base. This one is called the exponent. And this one is called the product. So when you will change this one, that product will be over here, that the base will be over here, and the exponent will be over here. So the same case, you have to apply the same rule you have to apply with the help of, suppose, the red marker. Similarly, whenever you have a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, so this a is called the base, 0 is the exponent, and 1 is the product. So this implies log of this a becomes the 1, just like this one. This one will be over here. This a becomes the base with the blue marker. And is equal to, then I have is equal to 0. So whenever you have log of 1 with any base, answer will be always equal to 0. That's a very important result we have to use in different informations. When you apply these results in this case with the green marker, so log of 1 base e is always equal to 0. This shows ln of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, students? Thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.